Elena, get out of here. I can hurt you.
No, you won't. I'm here until the very end. I'm not leaving you.
I deserve this. I deserve to die.
No.
Crying off my face again.
I do, Elena. It's okay.
Silent sound of love.
Because if I'd have chosen differently, I wouldn't have met you.
Wants to follow me to bed. I'm a ghost of a girl that I want to be most. I'm the shell of a girl that I used
You did it because you loved her.
Dancing slowly in an empty room. Can the lonely take the place of you? I sing myself a quiet lullaby. Let you go and let the lonely in to take my
I'm so sorry.
broken pieces of a barely
can't lose you.
breathing story where there once was love. Now there's only me and the lonely.
I like you to apologize. Damon,
Please.
Dancing slowly in
I know I don't deserve it. I'm so sorry. I can't lose you. You should have asked me to tell my sister.
I sing myself a quiet lullaby. Let you go and let the lonely in to take my heart again.
Damon, I know that I love you.
I choose you, Elena.